This review is of Trader Joe's Sweet Onion Salad Kit, a complete salad kit, perishable. As you can see, some of the romaine has gotten frozen in the fridge, unfortunately, so I'll have to toss that. And here is the blurb. Unfortunately, I didn't notice that this has milk in it, so I'm going to suffer. One serving is 1 3/4 cups of salad plus the dressing, 100 grams. And so one serving has 180 calories, 15 grams of fat, of which 4.5 are saturated. And with the dressing. And then 10 milligrams of cholesterol, 280 milligrams of sodium, 10 grams of carbs, of which 2 are dietary fiber, 4 grams of sugar, of which 2 are added, and 4 grams of protein. It does have a bit of vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. And this is the excessively long list of ingredients. I'm going to try to get rid of as much of the cheese as I can. Anyways, I should have looked more closely before I picked this out. So the ingredients look fairly innocuous, aside from the dairy, which I can't digest. So let's go ahead and find out whether it tastes good. Oh, happy days are here again. I can separate out the cheese. Bye-bye, cheese. Gonna be going in the garbage. And here are the crushed croutons. I'm thankful that they are crushed. I really don't like big, chunky croutons because they really disrupt the eating experience. You know, you are like, arr, 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 and you get, but whatever. If you like it, that's great. I'm not going to lie to you. I wish there was more variety to this rather than some chopped up lettuce and red cabbage or purple cabbage, whatever you want to call it. I find that, really disappointing because it really should have more to it, in my opinion. Call me a stickler for the best, but I just put I wasn't paying attention to what I grabbed, and I just accidentally put salted almond on my salad. So great. That's wonderful. I try to get rid of that. So it turns out the croutons also had fried onions in them. So that's nice. Smells good. Okay, so I drizzled some on the top end here. Between the croutons and the fried onions, it's very tasty. And the dressing enhances it further. So that's really nice. I really like this one. I've had some real stinkers from Taylor Farms, but I'll give this. I love onions. No, don't blame me. 9. Yeah, 9. After, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.